Hi, this is Mike with my bike check in 2011. Here are my Edwin grips in red, cut the flanges off, nice. And my black Dan Lacey bars, no stickers. My kink stem. And my Odyssey headset. And that go down, and I've got some crap little GT forks and crap little GT hub. Got some pegs which are stock, don't know which they are, and I've got Owen, Hamilton. I've got Hamilton pedals, stolen team cranks, Explosion Sprocket, Fly Spanish bottom bracket. Then I've got a Haro back hub, laced to a black sheep, Alienation black sheep, and then got my GT seat. It's nice and comfy, quite high, just nice to ride. And then I have got my Fly 3 Amigos frame with my nice little brake mates on bottom. Alright, thank you very much, and goodbye.